licensed productivity specialist and founder of Eliminate Chaos. And I am coming to you from the beautiful island of Maui, where I have been for the past couple of weeks for work, as well as a vacation. And I wanted to share with you today one quick tip for managing all of the information that you may need to have at your fingertips. Now, think about the fact that you might go to a meeting and take notes about that particular meeting, or maybe you have notes about a client that you're working with or a prospect. Where do you keep that data and how organized is it? If you can't instantly put your hands on that information, then I would recommend that you consider looking at Microsoft OneNote. Microsoft OneNote is what I call a digital notebook, and it is a place where you can store all sorts of notes, audio clippings, videos, links to websites, other documents such as Word and Excel documents, and it has a very powerful search feature. I use many OneNote notebooks in my business every day, and I have my notebooks synchronized out to all of my devices. So I have it available on my iPhone, my iPad, my desktop in the office, and also my laptop. So literally any information that I need is at my fingertips. Now, there's really no right or wrong way about how you use these notebooks, but I do recommend that when you are first using this software that you really think about a great structure for each of your notebooks. So for example, you could have a notebook that you use to just take notes with your clients about, and then at the end of the session you could email a page directly from OneNote using Outlook to get that information to them. You could also put together another notebook that is more of like a reference notebook, so information that people are always asking you for, and that could also be at your fingertips, and then you could quickly email that out to someone or look up a bit of information that you need. The possibilities are endless, what you can do with the notebooks. And I think that what keeps a lot of people getting started with them is the fact that they just don't know the best way to get them set up. So if this is a challenge that you're having and you want to explore how you can have the power of all of this information at your fingertips, I would invite you to give us a call in the office. While we're based in Seattle, we work with clients all over the country on ensuring that your notebooks get set up the right way and for the first time. And for some, it's just a matter of figuring out what that structure is and then teaching you how to add the content to it. So I want to say a mahalo for watching this video, and I hope that you might consider using this tool in your workday every day to help you keep your information more organized.